Welcome along everyone. This is going to be a restoration on a Sierra 4x4 for a mate. Now it's not going to be a full resto as far as I'm aware at the minute, but we are going to be replacing well, we know the outer sills are rotten, the inner and outer rear arches are rotten out, and then on today what I've done is I've started to pull the interior out on the passenger side, so we'll lift the carpet now and see what's going on underneath there. Well, in true Ford fashion, it's basically rotten. The inner sills are gone. Front footwell's soaking due to standard Ford leaking sunroof, and the rear seat mount, as you can see, Fred and Wilma would be happy to drive this down the road and take Dino out for his walks. Like I said at the beginning, as far as I know, up to now, he's not doing a full restoration on this. He does have other projects coming in the future. This one just replace the rotten bits, put new bits in. He's ordering up some new sills, inner and outer rear arches. I think, in fact, we've actually got the rear arches, the outer arches here somewhere. I think the engine is just doing a general maintenance service, overhaul, double check everything. But yeah, if you're into your Fords or your Sierras, then stick around, there'll be more to come soon.